This is video 6 and we're going to look at copying final boards from final boards. So it's my intention to put a board downstream of this board here. So all we will do is on the insert electrical menu, put a final board in, and I'm going to run it through from a grey phase board. So I've got L3 grey. So I'm going to place that board and I'm going to unbalance it and I'm going to apply my load to way 3. dB6. Okay, that. So I now have my board set up with L3 grey set up. I'm going to run it from L3 grey here. So in fact, I'll zoom in a little bit just to make it a bit clearer. You can see there's our L3 grey there, and it's just a case of inserting a cable from there. Is it correct? Yes. Just the confirmation there. Putting the reference in there, etc. Then what I could do is enter this final board, go into the ways, and set the board up as we've done before on video 3, setting up the final board. Incidentally, to edit this cable, you have to do it in submain mode. So if I want to make any changes to the cable, I have to enter it in submain mode here. I can't go into this final board. So if I was to go into this final board and go into ways and try and edit it, when I double click on this way, I cannot edit submain ways in final circuit mode. So you have to make sure that whenever you have a final board from a final board, you always edit the cable at submain mode.